This creamy soup brings comfort without being heavy. Cauliflower is extremely nutritious, surprisingly high in vitamin C, which along with its immune benefits plays a major role in collagen synthesis, hormone production, and iron absorption. It's also a great source of vitamin K, folate, and B6. Roasting is a great way to cook vegetables as it caramelizes the natural sugars in the vegetable, giving them a rich, wonderful flavor. It's also a healthy way to cook because the nutrients are retained, unlike steaming or boiling where nutrients are lost in the water. I've lined a baking sheet with foil, sprayed it with avocado oil, and added my cauliflower and garlic. There's no need to peel the garlic. While your cauliflower is roasting, add oil to a stock pot. I love the flavor red palm oil gives this recipe, but you can use avocado oil or butter as well. Saute your onion and garlic until the onion is clear. Once your cauliflower has roasted 10 minutes, give it a turn. And remove the garlic from the baking sheet. Then return the cauliflower to the oven for another 6 minutes. Peel your garlic when it's cool enough to handle. After the cauliflower has roasted, add it to your stock pot with the chicken broth or stock. Along with enough water to just cover the vegetables. Season with salt and pepper. Cover. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat and allow it to simmer for 30 minutes. Use a blender or immersion blender to blend your soup. Blenders do the job much faster, but you'll have to be careful not to burn yourself with the hot soup as you transfer it. Add your garlic, taste and adjust your salt and pepper. Then add rosemary and paprika. Continue to blend until your soup is creamy, then garnish with parsley and paprika, and you're ready to serve this delicious, healthy soup. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more wonderful gluten-free recipes.